know that I miss you, but I'm conflicted. The way that I feel about you, no, I should not feed it. And if you were the answer to all these questions, I think I'll be a man first. Admit that I made a mess here. Yeah, I made a mess here. Well, I made a mess here. Oh, I made a mess here. You know that I saw it, all those letters you wrote. I buried them in moving boxes to keep the memories honest. How do you write like an angel, and yet you bite like a spitfire, like that October in Salem, when you were my safe haven. Oh, but you made a mess here. Yeah, you made a mess here. Yeah, you made a mess here. Think about it on Sunday, after my chores and my laundry. If nostalgia blinds hindsight, why all these cravings at midnight? And now we stand on your front steps. You say, I think you should know this. Dylan, if you didn't notice, there's someone else in my focus.
Yeah, oh man, welcome to the trade show. We got what you need, bring them something they could pay for. Painted on a smile when I'm stepping on my doorstep. I need from the world what she giving me before that. A-T-T-E-N-T-I-O-N. Snap a photo with my girl, but post a picture with her friend. I'ma lose my head, tryna find myself again. Doing circles in her feet, only let them see me win.
Pieces of me that I want to see the most. I shrug and I grin whenever my shot goes in. This is my show when I'm taking over again. To my highlight reel, ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs. Welcome to my highlight reel. Ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs.
I gave them everything they wanted, but they still gon' take my picture. Yeah, they wanna see me shine it off. Burning bridges by the morning. If I leave, it's not important, baby. I've been trying to take it all. Yeah, I've been ready to ride. So if you riding my wave, I've been avoiding what feel like shit. Whoever said they get lonely at the top was probably all by themselves and they had no one to take. They flip
pieces of me that I wanna see the most.
Yeah, I want them to see.
I shrug and I grin like I'm Michael Jordan. This is my show touchdowns and home runs. Welcome to my highlight reel, and showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs. Pieces of me that I want them to see. All of the things that I just wanna be. Let's run it back, Max. Tell them about it, Max. We ain't never stressing. You can always catch us flexing on a highlight reel, and showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs. Welcome to my highlight reel, and showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs. Highlight reel, highlight reel, highlight reel, highlight reel, highlight reel, highlight reel.
When you were younger, you didn't see things quite the same as you do now. But now you're older, you find that sometimes you wish you had stayed a clown, never ever knowing whether you're coming or going. And right now that sounds like Ray's idea. But hey, let's not get down about being a clown or running away from town, because you eat so well and you're friends can tell when that pastry's oh so brown. Never ever knowing whether you're coming or going. And right now that sounds like Ray's idea. Maybe you smoke too much and you drink too much, but as long as you can get back to home base, well, that's fine by me, and that's fine by everyone else. You're coming or going, and right now that sounds like Ray's idea. Like Ray's idea. Like Ray's idea.